yung powder. Ang gatas. Nasaan daw?
Naiintindihan ko naman. Gusto mo ng healthy. Gusto mo ng maraming benefits. Pero bakit tambay ako?
Hindi ba ang pag-inom ng wheat grass? Yung matcha. Kailangan ako bumibili ng toothpaste sa detergent cleanliness.
Sana bumalik na tayo sa Heart Cemetery para parehas tayong ilubog dahil hindi ko maalala yon kanina.
Ganun talaga katagal mag-elong. Kasama niya akong almost every week. Wow. Kasama namin siya every week and we perform this every week. So we would like for him to join us in our performance here at his wake. Ang alam naman natin yung improv, kailangan natin ng audience suggestions. Are we ready to get suggestions? Hello, 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 people. Okay na. Ha? Like this. Alright, so ang gagawin natin is we're going to ask you to give us as many things under a category going from A to Z. So halimbawa, yung category ay prutas. Letter A.
Banana!
Carrot as a fruit. Hello. Perfect. So ngayon ang category natin is things. Things that remind you of ako. So anything that reminds you of ako. Let's try to do this as one team